found out about Facialteam through meeting some people at an event. They looked absolutely fantastic. I actually thought at first that they were genetic cis women, and upon speaking to them they explained to me that they had had facial feminization surgery with Facialteam, and their results were so natural and impressive. So I decided to contact Facialteam and have a consultation, and I found Facialteam surgeons to be so warm and friendly, and I just felt so comfortable in their presence that I decided to go ahead and book some surgery, and very glad I did. I previously had surgery 11 months ago, and I had my forehead reconstructed and my chin reconstructed. My greatest fear, I think, if you can call it a fear really, more of a concern, was any potential complications that could possibly arise after the surgery, but I've had no complications at all. I would recommend facial feminization surgery, definitely, because there are certain aspects of masculine characteristics where facial features are concerned that can just give a person away if they're out in the general public, and by having the surgery it just removes those male characteristics that could, sometimes people would be able to tell, sometimes people might look at a person and just think there's something not quite right, and that would then give them cause to look further, and it just helps to give you the confidence to be able to present yourself in public in the way that you've always felt as though you should be. Definitely for myself, I was always concerned and apprehensive about being in public and people seeing me as a man dressed as a woman. That was my sort of greatest fear really, which did happen. But after having the surgery, I feel as though I can just blend into public, and these days if people notice me, it's usually because I'm so tall, because I'm 6 feet tall, so that tends to be my most obvious characteristic, just my height. I'd never been to Marbella before. Being here 11 months ago was my first visit to Marbella, and I love it here. To be honest, I would happily move here and live here. It is. When I went back home after my surgery last year, I did actually look on the Rightmove website at properties in Marbella to see if I could afford to buy something over here and move here. That's how much I like Marbella. My overall visit with Facialteam, the whole experience has been fantastic. I felt completely at ease and comfortable the whole time. Everybody I've met, the whole team, the surgeons, are just so warm and friendly, and it's an experience that was such a nice experience that I didn't want to go home, and I was looking forward to coming back again.